I have also prepared reference books for the 10th standard English literature. That is all the students who will be appearing for the 10th board examination conducted by the NIOS. Now the book has been specifically prepared for the students of Gen Y Development Center, but any student appearing for the 10th NIOS exam can buy this book either on Amazon, or they can approach the Gen Y Development Center directly and place the order, and the books will be couriered to them directly anywhere in India. Now I would like to tell you what is so special about this reference book. You know, the reference book has been prepared in a very simple language, where I have taken care that I have summarized the lesson in a simple way which any child can understand, and besides that I have also covered the board paper pattern questions, giving them the most important or most questions likely to be asked, and at the same time I have gone through the previous year's board papers and given them those questions with answers. So what happens is this familiarizes the students with the paper pattern and also the way the answers are to be written and the style in which they have to be written. So this makes them kind of confident and prepares them well for the board examination. So this is the book that I have prepared. This is the English text reference book, and you can place an order for it directly at the Gen Y Development Center or on Amazon. And we also have we conduct online classes also for those students who are not able to take the benefit of our offline classes. Now apart from this, we have also a reference book for English grammar. As I had mentioned earlier, English grammar has 70% weightage, and this book covers all the question paper pattern which has been covered, and it gives the model answers as well as the different types of questions which can be asked in the paper. So just as for English literature, even for English grammar, the student becomes well acquainted with the paper pattern and the type of the answers they are expected to write. So it is highly beneficial for the students, not just from our Gen Y Development Center, but also for any student appearing for the examination all over India.